So our objective today is that students will plot coordinate pairs on a coordinate grid with positive and negative integers. In the past, we've already plotted points on a coordinate grid using the origin, which is at 0, 0. However, we've only plotted positive coordinates such as 2, 2, where we would look to the right 2, which is my x, and then up 2, which is my y. So over 2, up 2, because these are both positive integers. We've also looked at positive and negative integers on a number line. If it's left and right, I know that to the right of 0, these are my positive integers, this is my 0, and over to the left, these are my negative integers. If I'm looking up and down, I know my positive integers are up and my negative integers are down. So they're either positive to the right of 0, negative to the left of 0, negative to the bottom of 0, positive to the top of 0. It's the same thing with a coordinate grid. So for example, this is my origin at 0, 0, which is my origin. So if I would plot positive, positive, for example, if I would plot positive 5, positive 5, I would go over and up 5, over to the right, 5, 5. However, if I were to have a negative x, I would go to the left. So if I were to have negative 5 and positive 9, I would go to the left 5 and up 9, because that 9 is still positive, so I'm going up. If I were going negative, negative, for example, if I were to go negative 7, negative 7, I would go over to the left 7 and down 7. Negative 7, negative 7. As a negative 7. Okay, now if I were to go to the right, which is positive, if I were to go to the right 8, but I still want to go down, I'll go negative 8, 4, negative positive 8, negative 4. So I'm going to the right 8 and down 4. Right here. Right 8, down 4. So that's 8, 4. For your activity, what you're going to do, the first thing, you're going to do a worksheet with plotting, finding the coordinates. What is the first one? Positive 4, positive 5, positive 4, you're going to find, you'll notice that positive 5, positive 4, you'll find x. So you're going to write x here, find the rest, and then you're going to write the ordered pair given the coordinate. So, for example, if this is E, you're going to look at it's to the left 3 and down 4. So your answer would be negative 3, negative 4. Then over here, you're going to plot R at negative 6, positive 1. So you're going to go negative 6 on the x and plus 1 on the y. So you're going to up 1. So R would be located right here. Okay, if you are done with that activity, I've also posted this in your classroom. In the past, we've done this before where we only plotted in the positive coordinates. And now we're going to go to level 2 or level 3 if you want more of a challenge. This is more of a distance. But we're going to show you level 2. I'm going to test my coordinates. Notice this is mostly in the negatives, some in the positives. Let's try negative 3 or negative 3. And let's do negative 5. Just test somewhere over here. I wonder. Oh, so it's 7 spaces away. So I know my robber is 7 spaces somewhere. It can be any 7 spaces. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It could be at positive 1, negative 8 down. So I'm going to test positive 1, negative 8. Just test that. Oh, it's 6 spaces away. So let's see, 7 spaces. I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe? And let me see, is this 6 spaces away? I think it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has to be 7 spaces away from this one, 6 spaces away from this one. I think it's right here. So it would be it'll be positive 4, negative 5. Positive 4, negative 5. Let's test that. Oh, it's 4 spaces away now. We're getting closer. So let's see. Let's go back and then up to, maybe up here. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check on this one. So it's negative 3, positive 2, x first, positive 2, negative 3. Let's try that. Positive 2, negative 3. Oh, I got it. Yay! All right. So when you're done with the worksheet, you can go back to this activity. So, as a reminder, our objective is to plot coordinate pairs on a coordinate grid with positive and negative integers. All right.